Hey Lachey babes, it's my Lachey. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you scroll down and hit that subscribe button. If you guys are not new, then welcome back. Make sure you guys check out my social media. It will be on the screen right here, because if you don't have me on my social media, then what are you doing with your life? You're doing nothing. I just laid down this wig from Ft.DYHAIR777, and this is the texture that the hair came in. This is it straight out the box. I wanted you guys to see what it looked like. I believe it is a natural wave texture. This video is going to be focused on me showing you guys how I do baby hairs on my frontals. Now I'm going to tell you guys that this is how the frontal came. It came to me just like this. Like I said, this is the hair straight out the box. And the hair is obviously pre-plucked and it looks really nice. And guys, this is my first time actually laying the whole frontal. Be proud of me. Be proud of me, okay? I actually tried. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this hair so that we can get into the baby hair tutorial. Don't wake up, mama. This is the texture of the hair, and it's a really beautiful wet. So this is the natural wave, and I like it a lot. So let's go ahead and start on the baby hairs. And this is just how I personally do my baby hairs for my frontal. This is not how I'm saying y'all must do y'all baby hairs. Y'all clicked on this video, so don't be discriminating me or nothing. I don't got time. First thing, when you cut your baby hairs, don't cut them too short too soon, because they won't grow back. They're not real hair. So make sure you start out longer, because you can always go shorter. You can't make them longer. So I always start by cutting like right above my eyebrow. And I always cut my baby hairs in the direction that I want them to go. So the hair has dried and everything, because it's been like 30 minutes because I had to feed my baby and get her settled down. What I like to do is put a little bit of my yellow got to be glued gel. I'm going to spray my toothbrush just because I like my toothbrush to be wet when I'm doing it. It makes the bristles not so hard from the gel. So I'm going to go ahead and swoop my baby hairs starting at the front, well, in the middle. And I don't like to use a lot of gel just because I don't want them to look like, I don't know, super fake. And the reason I do it like this and leave a little bit of hair hanging is because I do like to swoop the hair into the frontal. Now some of this needs to go into a different baby hair. So I mean, doing baby hairs is kind of a process. Now this is how you can make it go into the frontal. You can just take a piece of the end of that one. See how I separated that from the hair right here? Brush that down to get that out the way. And then I'm going to place my finger here to put the baby hair where I want it in place. And then just kind of brush it into the frontal. Now I want to separate this hair just because I don't want it to look like it's like a huge clump of hair. With my toothbrush some more just because it started to dry. And then just do the bottom one. Separate that gel because you don't want it to be a huge clump of hair. And then just brush it into the frontal. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, just a little bit of gel. Do not use a lot of gel because you just don't want it to look all, I don't know, I don't know how to explain it. Not cute, honey. I'm going to do these the opposite way, and I can already tell that these are going to need to be cut shorter. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Don't cut it too short, because when they're too short, they just don't look right at all. To do your baby hairs, it's kind of like in the middle. You don't want baby hairs that are too long or thick, or baby hairs that are too thin, too short, you know? Every single time I do my baby hairs, they end up looking different. They're never going to look exactly the same. As much as you try, they'll never look the same. Now the method I do with my baby hairs is I kind of just let them dry by themselves. I do not tie my hair down because I find that when I tie my hair down, they get stuck to my head, and when I take the wrap off, it just pulls, and then sometimes the baby hairs come up or sometimes they turn white. So I just typically just let them dry by themselves. Y'all, this frontal came looking so freaking good. Like, I like this hair a lot. Basically, that is how I lay my baby hairs on my frontal wigs, and this company is DY Hair, and everything will be inside the description box down below. This hair is really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Peace.